Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on your smartwatch using the Laxas Fit app, so you can receive calls, messages, and app notifications directly on your watch. Before we begin, I recommend uninstalling and reinstalling the Laxas Fit app. This will allow you to follow the setup process from scratch, just like using the app for the first time. First, make sure that Bluetooth and GPS are turned on your phone. Next, press and hold the Laxas Fit app icon and open App Info. Then go to Permissions and make sure Location, Storage, Nearby Devices, Notifications, and any other required permissions are enabled. Once you're done, close the Settings window from your phone's Recent Apps screen. Now, open the application. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You can either sign in with an email address or continue directly. The app will automatically generate a username and password, just like shown in the video. After that, you'll be asked to enter details such as your weight, height, and birthday. In this example, I'll use a random username and continue with the setup. Next, a pop-up window will appear. Select Go to Settings and enable notification access for Laxas Fit, then return to the app. If you don't see the same options shown in the video, completely close both the app and the Settings menu from your recent apps screen, then try the process again. Now tap on Find Device and connect your smartwatch. If the watch does not appear in the list, make sure it's not connected to another phone. You can also reset the smartwatch to factory settings and repeat the process again. Finally, go to Device Settings, select Messages, and enable the apps you want to receive notifications from on your smartwatch. If this tutorial helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.